Would you help me to find a new way? Would you guide me through all of this again? Don't let me slip away. I need you here till the very end. So stay here with me. There's so much love in your smile when I look at your face, and I'm here to stay. You're my first and my last love, and you're my escape. So tell me you'll be right here with me. Hearing your voice is like hearing an angel sing, through the good and bad and all in between. You're the one I want and the one I need, and I know. You taught me to live each day, to live each day like it's my last.